It was another steady day at municipal court, filled with the usual background murmur of quiet conversations, footsteps echoing on the floor, and the occasional rustle of paperwork. The bench was occupied by a judge known not only for his sense of justice, but also for his sense of humor. The door opened again, and a man walked up to the podium. He looked a little confused but calm, clearly not someone accustomed to being in court. The judge opened the file and looked up at the man. "You're here for a parking violation? Something about handicap spots?" The man squinted slightly, trying to recall the event. "I honestly don't remember being too close to the corner. I mean, maybe near it, but not right up against it." "The ticket tripled," the judge pointed out. "That usually happens when the original ticket isn't paid in time." The man nodded slowly. "Yeah, but I never got the ticket. If it was placed on the car, I didn't see it. Maybe it blew away." The judge leaned back and clasped his hands together. "Let me explain something," he said with mock seriousness. "You see that gentleman over there?" He pointed toward Inspector Quinn, seated calmly at the prosecutor's table. "Yeah," the man replied, turning to glance. "That's the city," the judge said, voice rich with theatrical flair. "That's the prosecutor. All the resources of the city, the fire, the fury, the bureaucracy, are channeled through him. Right now, they're all focused on you." A few people in the gallery chuckled. The man couldn't help but laugh softly too, easing into the judge's rhythm. "Why, you might ask?" The judge continued dramatically. "Because you were parked 25 feet from a corner. 25 feet. A violation of geometry and urban planning." The man shook his head with a sheepish smile. "Like I said, Your Honor, I honestly don't remember where exactly I was. It was somewhere downtown, and I wasn't there long. I'd be happy to pay the original fine, just not the added fees." "Inspector Quinn doesn't take mercy lightly," the judge said, looking at Quinn with mock suspicion. "He's a tough one. He's been known to take violators upstairs into a dark room. There's a single metal chair, a bright overhead bulb, and hours of questioning. Were you parked 25 feet from the corner? He'll ask over and over until you confess." By now, the whole room was smiling. Even Inspector Quinn gave a small grin. "I didn't have my measuring tape with me," the man quipped. The judge laughed. "That's the best defense I've heard all morning." He leaned forward again, his voice softening. "Listen, you seem honest. I believe you didn't see the original ticket. And clearly, you're not someone who makes a habit of this. I think we can do away with the added costs. Just pay the original amount and consider the matter settled." "Thank you, Judge. I really appreciate that." The judge gave a small nod. "Just remember, next time bring your measuring tape. Or maybe just stay a little further from the corner." The man chuckled again as he turned to leave, the weight lifted off his shoulders. Sometimes in court, justice wasn't just about rules and fines. Sometimes it was about recognizing a small mistake, offering a little grace, and making sure everyone walked away feeling heard and understood.